Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great? Awesome trade here, guys. SGD. Our AI picked it up at 179, and look what it's done. We're in the middle of a halt right now. It's been halted several times on the way up, a couple times on the way down, but 179 is where our AI picked it up. Even in my 10-day daily breakout, a little bit later at $2, okay? But all over all of our scanners, momentum scanners, etc. But our AI at 179 picked it up. And when you look at what our AI has done today, now this is taking $5,000 worth of every one of these stocks, okay? And of course, the big gain is in the SGD, but up $6,000. Even on, moderate $6,000. That's just keeping in the trade, until you decide to get out. But unbelievable day for our AI. And I don't know where this is going to open. I can show you here. This is time and sales from Interactive Brokers. And so the projected open could be around 450. There's the halt at 376. And the projected open could be about 450. Just an incredible alert from our AI, 179. And who the heck knows where it's going? This is not an IPO, but it was a spin-off, so it kind of looks like an IPO, but unbelievable. Okay, guys, want to get back in the room? Have a great evening. We'll see you tomorrow.